Hi guys, so this is the tried and tested version of the Singapore Laksa. The ingredients and quantity are listed in the description below. We purchased 2 kg of fresh prawns from the wet market and couldn't resist these huge cockles. For our cooked ingredients, we chose quail eggs over regular eggs. For our stock, we fried dry prawn heads and skin. While frying out the prawn heads, we also blended all our ingredients. And toasted some belachan before adding to our blended ingredients. Add hot water to prawn heads to make stock. In the meantime, start frying the blended paste. While frying out the paste, blend some dried shrimp. When chili paste is almost done, add the dried shrimp and continue frying till dry. When stock is ready, remove the head and shells. Then add the dry chili paste to the stock. Continue stirring, then add 1.5 liters of coconut milk. Last but not least, add the brown tofu. Prepare your cooked ingredients in a bowl. Now scoop that gravy into the bowl. And enjoy!